Talk about prairie houses done by Frank Lloyd Wright. The genius of renowned American architect Frank Lloyd Wright has graced the world with stunning designs. One of his most notable achievements is the creation of the Prairie House style, a revolutionary take on residential architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright's Prairie House style was born out of his desire to create a uniquely American form of architecture. He aimed to break away from European influences, resulting in a design that perfectly harmonized with the natural environment. The Prairie House style is characterized by its low, horizontal lines. This design was inspired by the sweeping vistas of the American Midwest prairie landscape. Wright used this feature to create a sense of unity between the house and its surrounding environment. One of the most iconic elements of a prairie house is its open floor plan. Wright believed in the concept of organic architecture, where the interior layout should flow naturally and be free from unnecessary divisions. This concept was groundbreaking during a time when compartmentalized rooms were the norm. The use of natural materials is another defining characteristic of prairie houses. Wright favored the use of wood, stone, and glass to ensure the house felt like an extension of the natural world. This philosophy was apparent in both the exterior and interior of the houses. Wright's prairie houses also feature expansive windows. These were designed not just for aesthetic purposes, but to allow maximum natural light to flood the interiors. The result is a warm, inviting atmosphere that blurs the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. An essential element in prairie houses is the central fireplace. In Wright's designs, it serves as the heart of the home. It's not merely a source of warmth, but also a symbol of family togetherness and social interaction. The integration of art and craftsmanship is also a key feature in these houses. Wright's designs often included built-in furniture, art glass, and other decorative elements. These details contributed to the overall aesthetic and function of the space. Wright's prairie houses are a testament to his belief in the idea of form follows function. Every element in the design serves a purpose. This principle allowed his architectural creations to be both beautiful and functional, enhancing the quality of life for the inhabitants. To end, the Prairie House style is a symbol of Frank Lloyd Wright's innovative and visionary approach to architecture. These houses are not just structures, they're living, breathing entities that harmonize with the environment. They represent a true understanding of the connection between humanity and nature, making them timeless pieces of architectural brilliance. Have you ever seen a building that seems to blend seamlessly with its surroundings, that doesn't impose but rather complements the environment? That's the magic of Frank Lloyd Wright, the mastermind behind the concept of organic architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright, born in 1867, was not just an architect, he was a visionary. During his lifetime, he designed over 1,000 structures and completed 532. Wright believed in designing structures that were in harmony with humanity and its environment. One of his most renowned works is the Roby House, completed in 1910. Located in Chicago, it's considered the greatest example of the Prairie School style, Wright's unique architectural movement. The design is inspired by the flat, expansive landscape of the American Midwest. Frank Lloyd Wright was a trailblazer, a visionary who dared to think differently. His works are not just buildings, they are living, breathing entities that exist in perfect harmony with their environment. Wright once said, "I believe in God, only I spell it nature." And it's in his works that this belief truly shines through. Thank you for watching.